Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about a very useful Excel shortcut, Alt plus equal to. So using this shortcut, we can quickly insert the sum function for a selected range of cells. This will save your time and making your workflow more efficient. So let's take a look at our data set. So we have sales data for three regions, region A, region B and region C over 4 months, January to April. So our goal is to quickly calculate the total sales for each region using the shortcut Alt plus equal to. So first of all, we want to sum the cells in cell B6. So we will select the cell B6 and we will type the Excel shortcut Alt equal to, and we can see that this shortcut has automatically insert the sum function and selected the range of cells above, in this case from B2 to B5, and press enter. And again we can quickly sum the cells for region B by typing Alt equal to and press enter, and again we will type Alt equal to and press enter. And we can also sum these we can also calculate the sums of region A, region B and region C for cells quickly in one click. So first of all we will select this three cell and we will type Alt equal to, and in one click we have got the sums for region A, region B and region C. And I hope you have understood the use of Alt equal to, and thank you for watching this video.